Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Ephesus, Turkey. And to get to Ephesus, we came by Kusadasi in Turkey. If you're traveling to Ephesus by cruise, this will be your port of call. And then Ephesus is a 35 to 40 minute coach ride from Kusadasi. While you're here, make the most of everything Kusadasi has to offer. Stunning beaches, vibrant markets, and delicious local cuisine. Don't miss a chance to discover handmade Turkish carpets, each one a masterpiece of craftsmanship and tradition, a perfect souvenir from your visit. Explore the beauty of handmade gifts and colorful Turkish lights. Treat yourself to a traditional Turkish kebab bursting with flavor and a must-try for any food lover visiting Turkey. Baklava as well for dessert, and finish it off with a nice strong Turkish coffee. After paying 40 euros, we entered the ancient city of Ephesus, ready to explore its incredible history and breathtaking ruins. Ephesus is one of the most well-preserved ancient cities in the world, located in modern-day Turkey. Once a thriving Greek and later Roman city, it was a hub for trade, culture, and religion. Ephesus is famous for its magnificent ruins, including the Library of Celsus, which once housed thousands of scrolls, and the Great Theater, which could hold up to 25,000 spectators. The city was also home to the Temple of Artemis, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, though only a few remnants remain of it. Walking through Ephesus feels like stepping back in time. Its marble streets, ancient baths, temples, and shops offer a glimpse into life thousands of years ago. The toilets in ancient Ephesus are a fascinating glimpse into the Roman engineering and social customs. These public latrines were part of the city's sophisticated sanitation system, built in a U-shaped layout. They featured marble seating and were often located near public baths. The Library of Ephesus is one of the most iconic and well-preserved structures from the ancient world. Built in 117 AD, the library once held 12,000 scrolls, making it one of the largest libraries in the Roman Empire. Its facade is a masterpiece of Roman architecture, with ornate columns, statues, symbolizing virtues like wisdom and knowledge, and an intricately detailed design that reflects the grandeur of Ephesus. The 2-story structure creates an illusion of depth, with the central column slightly larger than the sidelines. Located near the heart of Ephesus, it was the heart of learning and culture. Today it stands as a testament to the city's historical significance and is a highlight for visitors. Okay, so this place gets very busy and hot. So be sure to bring plenty of water and wear comfortable shoes to make the most of your visit. The Ephesus Theater is one of the largest and most well-preserved ancient theaters in the world. It could seat around 25,000 spectators and was used for various events, including plays, gladiator fights, and public speeches. Built in the Hellenistic period and later expanded during the Roman Empire, the theater is famous for its remarkable acoustics, which allowed even the faintest sounds on stage to be heard clearly by the audience. The House of the Virgin Mary, located near Ephesus, about 5 kilometers away, is believed to be the final home of Mary. It's an important pilgrimage site for Christians and is also visited by people of various faiths. According to tradition, after the crucifixion of Jesus, Mary was brought to this location by the Apostle John, where she lived out her final years. This small stone house, set in a peaceful environment on the slopes of Mount Kusadasi, has become a symbol of peace and devotion. It's a place for prayers, and many people visit to light candles and make wishes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, could you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.